Good morning. Everyone's a bit. What? Everyone's a bit slow this morning. Even the rest of the participants.
Dave.
What? Family.
Because not all people know, that's why I'm always repeating it.
Because it's not automatic. No.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hello, fishes. Hello. No pressure. It's under pressure.
Start. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What's going on? And I say, hey, 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 hey. I said, hey, what's going on?
Hey, I've been recording for four times.
Let's go. Start, please.
You're learning to count.
Wow. Left-handed you sing like this, for right you sing like this. 1, 2, 3. With the feet, with the foot.
Nice! Food time. We're feeling very American with our trays over here and the lunch people who I'm not going to show just because this will be on YouTube.
Temperatura, il-ritmi fejn jidħol bil-bibta barra.
Jamie got wet this morning.
Xarbu jintu.
Happy birthday, Anita. Happy birthday to you.
Even if you have a small face, you can say the small face.
Learning new things about yourself, yes, and also about the world. Okay,
Learning about the world. About yourself, you say learning about the world.
Yeah.
Okay. So our question is, what are the challenges that youngsters have to face in this time, and what would you advise to them? What did you find?
Anna?
Oh, can you give it to my seat?
Ja, alla miet.
U dak birriħ!
Tiċċaqlaq. Tiċċaqlaq, ver tiċċaqlaq.
Oh, dak tettu taf kemm jiġi faqa.
Ara tiċċaqlaq Madonna.
Infaħlu jien.
Mirjan, it's dead.
It's dead.
Put on the...
We're trying to resist it.
Yeah, he's on you.
Just keep flying!
No! Okay, I go and put this back because we just found noodles and you want to eat something quick for tonight because we're not going to eat from the food they have at the university. Where the heck does it go? Because tonight we have to prepare for the intercultural night, so we're not going to go very early, but just have everything ready for tonight. ġena ilma?
Unkom il-għajnejja, ħana xafna ilma.
Noodles! Isma, put more water, ta? No, it's good. How many did you bought? She bought 2 packets of noodles. I bought 3. And Joseph bought 3 as well. She cooked a lot, so basically she's giving more. You cooked 2 packets. Your eyes were bigger than your stomach, and now you gave him the food.
Yeah, she cooked for his part.
And mine is still going. I just put it in actually.
Hey, you want please? Hey, yeah.
We have a visitor. Can I see your makeup? Sure. Maya, can I see your makeup? Wait, the Romanians are dressed like this because it's Dracula. And do you have the bites or not? Eddie.
And Octave.
Ah, okay. This is a sort of a mini reunion.
Hello.
We have
after 2 years.
a mini reunion for 2 years. Some people from the Hungary Youth
together
Exchange.
again.
And there's Santo inside.
Santo is flirting, of course.
No, 2 years.
Yeah.
2 years. Flower. Huh? 2 years.
You still can't say it.
We did our intercultural right now. Did you enjoy our intercultural, Maya?
I did.
What did you enjoy most about it?
The views.
Oh, David was the view. David was the view, right?
Everything.
David.
Now I want to visit Malta.
Yeah, you should.
I really want.
You should. David was the most beautiful view, but right.
Oh, it was a huge sacrifice because I'm very tired.
Oh.
I need water now.
Għandok mis-sabiħa, ma ta?
No, he has a good style.
David, حملت الجين.
Għanna do.
Naduraw dex.
You are so ugly on camera.
Just on camera.
No, not just on camera.
Oh, fila.
Me too.
Yeah.
So you say green, you say blue?
Yes.
Okay, let's find out.
Bucharest.
Bucharest.
No. And you say? Cluj. Yeah.
Hasina was. Yeah! You Italian team! We're the winners!
Go baby, go! Go baby!
1, 2, 3.
Everybody think it's Fabian?
No, what's the name of Anna?
We don't even know who was the one. Who was the one? Go!
Anna.
Olle, mux ovvja li. Ovvja,
Okay, Raluca. Jekku na fuq ċkentielek.
Okay, and you?
Vera.
Rav, okay. Who was the one?
Għettilkom!
Drink.
No, for me.
Any reactions?
This is the Maltese table. Come Gina. Cheers. Sacha. Illa guys, we have more big illa.
Oh yeah!
Open Spotify and play Freddy Portelli.
Gina gave us a ride. Thank you, Gina, for the ride.
Thank you, Gina.
Now we can say good night as well. Say, do you remember what's good night?
Yes. A little tired.
Yeah!
With the closing hand. It's calling noodles.
Dak modux li kien kollu l-mus. Mik la noodles ġik.